Oh, that's a big
trout.
Is it a big trout?
Trout.
That's a trout. It's going to be a nice one. Oh, you beauty. I'll take that one. That's better.
Who said they don't like the slash stuff?
Well done, Trevor, and PE tackle, eh? Nice little skirt there. All right.
Actually, could be a red the way his head nodding.
There's a big head shakes there. On the old, on those flies, eh?
Yeah, the PE.
Oh, what?
Glow Husser.
They're only $50 pop. If anyone wants one.
Yeah, I've got a box of them.
I sell mine for 50.
You don't have any.
Hey, that's looking a little bit better. Oh, another nice one.
Maybe just.
Yeah, hopefully legal and on the fly there. Good on. Okay, here we go. Bit of colour.
What's that grey thing up behind it?
Oh, don't say that. No, it's looking.
Nannygai.
Oh, it is a nanny. Big nanny.
Well done.
All right.
Oh, lovely.
Now we're talking.
Just settled.
It's not on that feather too.
How on the feather?
Right in the gob. Look at that.
Green goblin. Green goblin.
Green goblin, eh? All right. Well done, Mick.
Red.
Oh,
Red of all reds. Come in. So
now we're talking.
$10 isn't looking good.
that's a red.
All right.
Yeah.
Now that's a red. Wanted a red, you said?
That's me red.
Mate, I can't get him in the camera. He's that
Big
big.
Nanny on the other side.
Mate, horse red. Woohoo!
Beautiful.
On the fly. These flies are going off today. Mate, that's a.
Back down.
He's a 10 kilo red.
A bunch of rope just went back down.
And on the fly. Woohoo, on the fly. All right.
Yeah, nice and slow when he gasses it off.
Okay, here he comes. Another trevally. On that fly, mate. On your fly.
A red zebra fly.
He's a solid fish. Yeah, PE tackle, fly. What was it, a red zebra fly?
Yep, that's him.
Seemed to be working.
Reef Master hook.
Yep.
Okay, we'll let him go. Look, a nice trevally. Gone.
Cool.
Out of here.